Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about hybrid cloud monitoring in depth. Let's go. Hybrid cloud is a computing environment that uses a combination of public cloud services and the private cloud infrastructure. Hybrid clouds offer business that benefits of both public and private clouds, such as scalability, flexibility, and security. However, hybrid clouds can also be more complex to monitor for than traditional on-premises environments. This is because you need to be able to monitor public cloud, both public and private cloud resources, and you need to be able to correlate correlate data in from both environments. In this video, we will discuss hybrid cloud environments in the depth, including the challenge of hybrid cloud monitoring, the benefits of hybrid cloud monitoring, best practices of hybrid cloud monitoring. Challenges of hybrid cloud monitoring challenge. There are a number of challenges associated with hybrid cloud monitoring, including complexity. Hybrid cloud environments are more complex to monitor than traditional on-premises environment because you need to be able to monitor both public and private cloud resources. Visibility. It can be difficult to get a complete view of your hybrid cloud environment because data is often siloed in the different tools. Performance. Hybrid cloud environment can be more difficult to monitor for performance and because you need to be able to correlate data from both public and private clouds. Security. Hybrid cloud environments can be more difficult to secure because you need to be able to secure both public and private cloud resources. Benefits of hybrid cloud monitoring. Despite the challenges, there are a number of benefits hybrid cloud monitoring. Improved visibility. Hybrid cloud monitoring can help you to get the complete view of your hybrid cloud environment. This can help you to identify and troubleshoot problems more quickly. Improved performance. Hybrid cloud monitoring can help you to improve the performance of your hybrid cloud environment by identifying the resource performance bottlenecks. Improve security. Hybrid cloud monitoring can help you to improve the security of your hybrid cloud environment by identifying and resolving security vulnerabilities. Reduce cost. Hybrid cloud monitoring can help you to reduce the cost of your hybrid cloud environment by optimizing your resource utilization. Best practices for hybrid cloud and monitoring. Use centralized monitoring solution. A centralized monitoring solution will single pane of glass viewing into all of your cloud resources, both public and private. This will make it easier to identify and troubleshoot problems. Monitor all aspects of your environment. This includes monitor your infrastructure, applications, and data. You should always monitor your security and compliance. Set up alerts and notifications. Alerts and notifications will let you know when there are problems with your environment. You can set up alerts for specific events, or you can set up general alerts for whenever there is a problem. Monitor continuously. Monitoring you should be continuous, not just something you do for time to time. This will help you to identify and troubleshoot problems quickly. That's all. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.